It's in the recording mode already. Videotape him. Videotape him.
Is it running? Is it running?
Yeah. Almost looks like he wants to run under the boat. Look at the size of this thing. Almost looks like a little small version to my Wahoo. Take your time, it's on the end of the fight, everything is pretty stressed, right?
Yep.
That's a nice fucker. I got the 20 pounder I wanted, man. This is him. And he didn't bite the redhead either. What? Some people horse them down here and this is where you lose them. Keep them very light. You're not getting a second chance, motherfucker.
It's a fish.
Good. That's how you feel good?
Yeah, I feel good.
Which button to